There are many ways to install Ansible, but in this lab I will use the pip, the Python pip to install it. So the first, let me try to install the pip at the first. So yum install Python pip, right? Yes. Now then I have to install Ansible, right? So pip install Ansible. You have to wait a little bit until the installation finish. So if we try to ping this EC2 instance from our host node in org, so click the address, right, and copy, we try to ping, paste here. Yes, you can see the pings success. Try to clear here, clear it again. Yes, our Ansible is checked now. If Ansible version. Yes, it works. So what we will do now, this lab is for aim is to in this control node we will try to fetch our website that is here, right? Then try from this control node, try to install httpd Apache server on this host that is in Paris and in Oregon. Then copy these files that is here of our website and try to paste it here. All of this we should use Ansible. It is the remote control. So at the first we should install git to pull our repository files. For that, say sudo yum install git, right? So let me check and create a directory here. We call it make a directory key Kadir, then we call it OPT, right? Nice, actually, OPT. Then I try to clone our clone our server, and they will call it. They will call it whip up, right? If we check here, whip up, then nice, that works nice. So now the next step is to try to create or to generate a key pairs that we will copy to this host. So when we try to access and make an SSH connection, it can make. So let me come back to home directory to yes, and try SSH keygen, right? Right, nice. So if we make now, our keys are stored here. The next step is try to enable the password authentication when make an SSH connection to another host. So for that, we should modify something in the PC SSH and in the nano, right, nano SSHD and config, right? Then come go down. Yes, and the same thing here. So sudo nano pc ssh sshd config, right? Go down here and to enable password authentication by switching node. Yes, yes, yes. Then we should reload our SSHD service by reload, right? Same thing here, sudo service SSHD reload. Nice. So if we try now, they should try EP address, same thing, address, right? And from here. So to copy this SSH that we have in the control node to our host node in Paris and the host node that is in Oracle, we'll use SSH copy ID, and then the username is the host node, right? Then the IP address, copy this, here, paste it, try to copy, say yes, enter the password for the first time, right, and see if we try to SSH host node, try here, paste it, yeah, it's worked nice. The same thing we will do it with the other one. So I say SSH copy ID, then we have host node, then copy the IP address, copy it, and paste it here. Nice. And yes,